This is area of Grace Sparkboy. Pass to again. Pisay reverse of goal. Sorry outside. Warlock comes next. Then followed by Camry and Raon is the early trailer. We have Grace Sparkboy by Olalenka and half reverse of goal in second. And racing in third is Warlock. Pisay in fourth. Along way back to Camry and Raon still racing in last. As all leader, that's Grace Sparkboy by our half talanga. Reverse of gold, dari outside second, 5 lengths, so in third, Warlock, Pisay in fourth. Then comes Camry and Raon, the favorite, still racing in last. With Grace Sparkboy, reverse of gold, pari out, follow Warlock, Pisay, now moving up to take third, then followed by Camry and Raon. Grace Sparkboy by our half talanga. Reverse of gold, dari outside, Pisay. Here comes Warlock. Grace Sparkboy, reverse of gold, keep on piling it out for the leader. Pisay in third, as they come down at the last of the day. Grace Sparkboy, reverse of gold. Then here comes Pisay. Camry running by, there is Warlock. Grace Sparkboy, reverse of gold on the outside. Reverse of gold. Grace Sparkboy is running by there. Reverse of gold. Grace Sparkboy, entering the finish line is going to be close finish. Reverse of gold, Grace Sparkboy.
Okay, bayang karurista, nakita niyo naman ang bakbakan dito sa ating race number 9 kung saan close finish nga itong 7 horse Rivers of Gold kontra din sa numero 3 na si Grace Sparkboy.